Today I have a Chevy Silverado and I'm going to show you how to add windshield washer fluid in this particular Chevy Silverado. Are you going to need windshield washer fluid in order to keep your windshield nice and clean whenever dirt gets on it, if you don't want to go ahead and wash your vehicle. So before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so in order to add windshield washer fluid, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that my vehicle is off and in park, okay? And parking brake engaged if you need so. All right, so that being done, the vehicle's off. What I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and open the door for easy access, and I'm going to reach down here, and you see this right here. This right here is where the hood latch is at. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this. Did you hear that pop? And I'm going to walk around to the front of the vehicle. I'm walking to the front of the vehicle and I'm going to go ahead and open it, but there is a safety latch. So I'm going to reach in, take my finger, press it to the right. See what I did right there? I pressed this to the right, and now I have access to the hood, underneath the hood. And what I'll do is I'll go over to get to the windshield washer fluid reservoir, which is right here. Open this up, and then you pour in the appropriate windshield washer fluid in there and fill it up. And then when you're done, go ahead and close it right here. So this is the location over here on this particular Chevy Silverado. And when you're done, just go ahead and shut the hood. And that is how you add windshield washer fluid inside of a Chevy Silverado. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.